Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria, and because you've come to cook with me today, we will be cooking gbegiri. What is gbegiri? Gbegiri is a type of stew, soup in Nigeria that goes along with amala. Amala is made from yam. There's another type of amala that is made from cassava. We call it lafun, or it can go with what is called tuwo masara, that is tuwo made from maize or corn. Some can even have it with tuwo chikafa, tuwo made from rice. So this soup is very versatile. You can use it for so many things. It's made out of beans, just like you do your you peel the beans and everything. I don't have to tell you history, I don't have to tell you story, I don't want to bore you. Just come along with me and let's do this together. Today we are going to Oyo State, Nigeria, or in some parts of Nigeria where they eat gbegiri, abula. So we'll be making gbegiri today. I have here beans, peeled, washed, peeled, onions. There's something with beans and onions, so you have to have enough onions for your beans. Tatashe, rodo, scotch bonnet pepper, and I have shombo. Shombo will just allow it to give it more color. That's why I'm using shombo. It's optional. Iru, locust beans, salt. I have here Maggi cubes, shower. I have palm oil, and orishirishi. There is shaki, pomon, beef, pala, dioporoko. Everything is there. Any way you want to. Some don't add all this, they just make it plain, but I want to add the assorted to it. So come along with me as we do this together. Cooking gbegiri is in stages. Stage 1 is you cooking your gbegiri. The beans, you add it to water, you put it on your stove or your cooker, allow it to boil until very, very soft. You won't see that it's already soft like this, but I need it to be very, very, very soft. Don't add salt or Maggi or any other condiment to it, because it's not going to allow it to get soft. Then the next stage will be for me to blend all these peppers. You can see that there is no tomatoes. You don't need tomatoes in your gbegiri. If not, tomatoes can make it, what Yoruba will say, oh majeko kon. It will just go sour very bad quickly. And you know beans and getting spoiled on time. So another thing I want you to know is that I can blend this iru with the peppers, or I can just leave it, and when I'm ready to add it, I'll just add it all. The beans is on fire now. I just added water to it. So what I'll be doing, I'll be covering it, and while this is cooking, I'll be preparing the peppers. Now our beans, we're cooking for over 1 hour. It's ready, and I'm going to be blending till it's very, very smooth. You can allow it to be cool before you blend for health and safety reason. I'm just going to blend now. Now it is well blended, and that is it. We'll move to another stage, but before we go to the final stage of cooking our gbegiri, you know, our mothers, I think why they use ijabe, you know, the small broom that they used to do is because then I don't think there was anything called blender, either hand blender or standing. I don't think there was anything called blender. But what do you think? Do you still prefer it the old way? Even when they use the ijabe, the short broom, you know, they still have to sieve it. With this one that is well blended, I don't need to sieve it. But which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like what you've seen so far, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends and family, and let them see how easy it is to make gbegiri in your own kitchen. Now the final stage of our gbegiri. You know the sauce I made before? I will just pour in after blending the beans. You can come over to my house. You are free to. So let's stir first to see. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding water. You know, gbegiri is not as thick as this. You will add enough water to make it thin in texture. Now I've added water and you can see the texture now. It looks just like normal gbegiri. And what I'll be doing is, I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to add a little bit of water more, because when it's well cooked now, it's going to be thicker than this. So I'm going to thin it a little, and I'm adding some salt because I've already tasted it and it needs just a little bit of salt. Remember, we've already done the stew. We just added it together. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring. We have explored today, and we know that we can do gbegiri. See, very simple to make. Just follow the step, follow it step by step, and you will be happy enjoying your own gbegiri right in your own house, wherever you are, all over the world, anytime, any day, any month of the year. So if you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and your family, let them know how to do their own gbegiri too, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you like the way I did it. Ibadan people, the Oyos, I salute. Did I do it well? That's the way I do mine, but do I do it well? There's always room to learn. Let me know in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed and you're still watching, please do by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to press on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Do you know what I'm thinking now? Abula, my amala with gbegiri with buka stew. See you till next time. Bye.